Welcome to our van life with our three good chihuahuas, episode 73. We are in Whistler Olympic Park to camp with family for the weekend. This is an amazing site and we are grateful for the opportunity to stay here after getting our van fixed.
So this is a major bear area. They have a whole building for bear safe storage. And here's a little map. Cleaning station. I have a whole bunch, so ski jumping area, toboggan slope. There's the washroom, showers, and a lot of campsites, so plenty of room. That's where the ski jump is. We'll definitely take over there. Lots of flies up here. Come on. Let's go use the restroom. "2026 countdown." Looks like the countdown has stopped. What's up with that? I wonder what Neverland is. Here's the Olympic Park main area. When the Olympics were going on here, this is where they had big event parking and food and facilities. And good lessons learned for bear. Back away slowly. Keep dogs on a leash. Yeah, Boba probably is not going to be the best if we run into a bear. What do you think of the first use of the netting? Hey, Bob, Bill. She's taking off. She took a break for it. There's bears out here. Oh, Bill. We gotta go back in the netting. Go with your mommy. Got the bug tent up for Pia. She's a happy camper. There's a lot of horseflies and bees up here on Whistler, so we're probably gonna get a lot more use out of this as we get out more into the northwest. And mosquitoes definitely along the lakes. Still got to figure out how to get it staked a little bit better in hard packed ground like this. This is mostly all on gravel, so need a better stake system. We are here in Whistler, and the chihuahuas are back to fighting for billy sticks. So this is an interesting spot. This is where, what year was the Vancouver Winter Olympics? 2010, they built up this whole property around us, and we're in like the Nordic village for all the cross-country areas, and there's the ski jump over there, biathlon, there's a bunch of race courses and a lodge that's still used actively. So they said that this is the first summer in this part of the Olympic Village that they actually built out campgrounds, and so they kind of bifurcated some gravel areas, probably where it's just trails and parking lots in the winter. It's primarily been a winter area, and so they have picnic tables and little parking areas and even RV spots down below us a little bit. So there's bathrooms and showers and garbage and internet and 5G as well. So it's really a nice camping spot up here, just a little bit away from the actual Whistler village. And the check-in host told us that the plan is, even though this is the first summer, is they're going to break everything down, including the electrical and the picnic tables, and pack it all away for the winter. And this turns back into winter activities with no camping, just day use. And then back in June, they're going to rebuild it all. So we'll see. It's not, it's, end of August here, and it's not very busy. So they're probably going to need more revenue coming in to really get people to use it. But it's a Friday, so we'll see how it is tomorrow. And, the school season starting.
Come in during midnight.
Yeah, it's open until 8 p.m. So there's another hour until they close the gate. And we'll see how it goes. But it's a really clean, tons of trails. We're going to explore a lot more tomorrow. And today we're just kind of getting settled in, and we'll see how it goes. So pretty cool spot, and definitely a great place that we almost missed if we wouldn't have got up here when we started having some issues on this trip. So we're happy that we are, and we're going to be eating some good food and hanging out with family here pretty soon. Whistler Olympic Village, in awe of the ski jump course. We're gonna go check out some of the other trails. Ski jumps. There's the campsite.
We are at the Whistler Olympic campgrounds and doing a little hike. This is a ski area and other multiple sports that they do during winter time. And dogs are also walking with us. Bail is walking herself. Chewbacca is getting carried, and we'll go around to where the ski jump is and show you what that looks like.
Up in Whistler Olympic Park, and they got a whole bunch of trails here that are the cross-country skiing trails. So we are taking a look-see around what we can find, but pretty cool view right here with the mountains and the Canadian Rockies. Okay, it's the Bail Organa's first hike in her life.
Oh,
Puppy first.
She's ready to sleep. Are you ready to sleep? Whoa. Is that where you go to take the stick?
Ski jump scramble. Only walk upstairs, do not walk down. Pretty steep part, but quite the views. There goes Pia. What? Halfway. I think we're further than halfway. So they have, you can see how steep this is for the ski jumpers. And they mark it by feet or meters. Meters probably. Okay. Almost to the end of the markings. And they got two courses here. One is like a longer course, more narrow. That looks steep from here. Woo! Congratulations. That guy went further than us. Wow. So we just did that. A little bit flat at the top. But wow. What a payoff. Not bad. Yeah, let's go up there. Public viewing. So, looks like if you're really crazy, you can come up here and still train and do ski jump preparation. There were lights on up here last night. Well, they got skis over there. So, but yeah, that's the short course to our right. And then this is the jump for the long course. So it starts up way up there, which you can actually climb a little bit more if you want. And then you jump off of this platform and fly all the way deep down there. Try to fly as far as you can. I don't think either of us will be doing that anytime soon. This one up about 500 stairs. How do you feel?
I'm ready to take a nap.
Yeah, it's a good little workout. We had to get our sweat going. We haven't done that for a while. And we're going to go explore the rest of these trails. So we'll show you how it is. We're at the top of Whistler Olympic ski jump.
Yay!
So they have some, it's like snow grading, scraping equipment. You just leave it up here all summer. Those are some grading rakes. I've had a lot of experience with that in my landscaping days. A bunch of lumber. Probably always doing maintenance. It's pretty crazy to think that everything they had to do just to build these roads, I'm sure, to get equipment all the way up here. So we think we're gonna get down this trail